In this tutorial video, we will show you how you can freeze multiple rows in Microsoft Excel. For this, we have some data. In this data, if we scroll down, we will see that all the data has been scrolled. But we don't want this. We just want to fix first two rows. For this, we just need to go number 3 row and number 1 column. That means these cells. If we mark it like yellow, you can see it. These cells. Select these cells and go to view option. You can see an option which is freeze pan. Click there. There will be 3 options. Just select freeze pans. First option. Now, if you scroll down, you can see that the top 2 rows is not scrolling. This is how you can easily freeze any of the top rows in your Microsoft Excel file. Hope that you like this video. Thanks for watching the video.